So the way you're going to approach this question is very simple. You see how you start with A, B, C, D as four different data sets. So you start with A, and you notice in A, the number 1 has 3 stacks, right? So 1, 2, 3. So this is the equivalent of you doing this. If you were looking at this on an Excel sheet or some other document, you would simply be stacking up 1, 1, 1. And then the next number over, if you look, you only have 1 stack on the 3, so just 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, and then the 10 has 2 stacks. If you were to average these numbers out, so you would add them all up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you would get 5.2. Alright, and so this is data set A. And you do the same thing with data set B. With data set B, you have 3 stacks for the 1, so again 1, 1, 1. You have 1, 3. You have a 7. You have 2 8s. And then you have 2 10s again. And same thing, if we add them up and we divide by 9, you should get 5.4. Data set C, you look at the stack, again you have 1, 1, 1. Then after that you have 1, 3. You have a 6. You have 2 7s and 2 10s. And again, add them up, divide by 9 because you have 9 numbers, and this gives you a data average of 5.1. Do the same thing for D. D, you have 1, 2, 3 1s. You have a 3, a 6, 2 7s, an 8, and a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. Again, add them up and divide by 9, you should have 4.89. The question is asking you to sort them so that you have the lowest value followed by the highest value, and so on. So mu D is less than mu C is less than mu A, which is less than mu of B. Notice that I'm not putting in the numbers, I'm putting in the letters themselves. And that's how you do that question. I would use Excel, it's much faster with Excel. Let me show you how to do it with Excel. Now with Excel, what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to put the numbers in columns. Okay. So since I already have A, B, C, D here, I'm just going to write them in as I showed you. So 3 1s, 1 3, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8, 2 10s. Then repeat the process here. 3 1s, 1, 2, 3, a 3, a 7, 2 8s, and 2 10s. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1 3, 1 6, 1 7, well, actually 2 7s, 2 10s. We'll repeat the process again. 1, 2, 3, 1 3, 1 6, 1 7, actually 2 7s again, an 8 and a 10. Okay. You come over here to the bottom, you're going to go equals A for average. That's what the meter represents, an average. You're going to double click on average. You're going to highlight the first column and hit enter. You see how we get 5.2 repeating? Once you do that, just grab the bottom corner and see how you get the rest of the results. And so from smallest value to largest, you're going to list them as such. So you start with D, then C, then A, and then B. B is the biggest. Okay? So that's how you do it with Excel.